mes étudiantes. J'espère que vous allez bien. Et je vais bien aussi. Today we are going to do leçon quatrième, Enchanté 2. Enchanté 2. Okay, let's start. Okay, les animaux du zoo. Les animaux du zoo. Okay, zoo you know. Animal also you know. Okay, so please go through Enchanté 0, 1 who are beginners. Whether you are school students or uh, either you are school students or DELF beginners. Okay, so this is for all the students, for French aspirants. Okay, les animaux du zoo. Right, let's do this. So this is the scene of the zoo. Okay, page numéro 42. This we will read later definitely. First of all, let's les mots clés. Le zoo, les amis, l'éléphant, le singe, le tigre, la nourriture, le burger, le popcorn, la pizza et la maison. Okay, one thing, for example, I have taught you les mots clés and the pronunciation. Student, you can pause the video here and learn them, write them. Okay, so साथ के साथ इसको learn कर लिया करो. Make notes, pause the video, make notes and learn them. And then move forward. Right? Okay, so learn it. Then we will go next. Les adjectifs possessive. On a déjà fait ce sujet. Enchanté, I think 0 or Enchanté 1. We have already done this topic. Okay, so we will directly do this les pronoms sujet. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. So masculine singulier students, c'est mon stylo. Okay, je. Here the possession is mon. Tu, ton. Il, elle, son. Nous, notre. Vous, votre. Il, elle, leur. Now understand, we have already done, so we will just do the recap quickly. So if I want to say masculine noun, ये मेरा है, मेरी पेन है, सॉरी मेरा पेन, मेरी रबड़, राइट. अब मेरा के लिए यू विल यूज दिस मो, ton, son, notre, votre, leur. So notre, votre, leur, male, female, same. Okay, but this is right. Okay, now so it is mon, ton, son, notre, votre, leur. So sentence कैसे बनेगा? C'est mon stylo. ये मेरा पेन है. C'est ton stylo. ठीक है. For femina singulier, it is ma, c'est ta, sa, notre, votre, leur. Okay, plural me, te, se, no, vo, leur. Student, this will also plural. Okay, so this is the plural sentence. Let's pronounce. C'est mon stylo, c'est ma gomme, ce sont mes ciseaux. C'est mon stylo, c'est ton stylo, c'est ta gomme, ce sont tes ciseaux. C'est son stylo, c'est sa gomme, ce sont ses ciseaux. C'est notre stylo, c'est notre gomme, ce sont nos ciseaux. C'est votre stylo, c'est votre gomme, ce sont vos ciseaux. C'est leur stylo, c'est leur gomme, ce sont leurs ciseaux. Okay, done. Let's see more examples. So if I want to say I play with my friends, how would you say je joue avec mes amis? Il habite dans sa maison. Nous faisons nos devoirs. Here, this is the verb, student. Verb we have already learned how to conjugate. Then these are adjective possessive. See, ami, plural, plural. Me. Me. This is. Okay. Il habite dans sa maison. So, maison, féminin. Sa. Okay. Devoir. Nous faisons nos devoirs. We are doing our work or homework. So, no. Okay. Now, that also I have already taught. Let's learn. When your feminine noun is starting with vowel, then you will not use femina. So, see, This is feminine noun, right? Ami. So, according to the rule, we will use sa. But my feminine noun is starting with vowel, so I will not use sa. I will use son. Right? Similarly, image is femina singulier, starting from vowel. Then I am use son. Okay, not ta, because it is starting with vowel. Page numéro 45, les nombres ordinaux. Now, what is les nombres ordinaux? Ordinal numbers. What is the difference between in the last lessons we have done cardinal numbers? Les nombres cardinaux. What is the difference? Ordinal numbers is used to tell the positions. Like I don't say one. We are doing one lesson. We are doing first lesson, second lesson, third lesson. मैं क्लास में फर्स्ट आई मैं क्लास में वन आई नहीं बोलते हैं सो वी यूज ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स फॉर द पोजीशंस लेट्स लर्न premier deuxième troisième quatrième cinquième sixième septième huitième neuvième et dixième. Okay, this is your ordinal number. Easy. So you know premier is different. You know there are little differences. An ordinal number is an adjective which describes the numerical position of an object person. For example, first, second, third, to form an ordinal numbers, first of all, we remove the and add em to the cardinal number. Let's see. Douze, remove and it become douze and ajoute em. Okay, same. Cinq, it is exception. So here we are adding u. Okay, add u. In neuf, replace f with v. Neuf, it is neuvième. So, ce sont des exceptions. Okay, and first is always premier pour masculin, dernier pour féminin. Sorry, masculin. And pour féminin, it is première, dernière. Okay, page numéro 46. Okay, let's do les animaux vocabulaire. Le chien, le chat, la vache, le cheval, la poule, le lapin, le lion, l'âne, le crocodile, le singe, l'ours, la girafe, l'éléphant, le serpent, la brebis, le poisson, le coq, l'oiseau, le paon. 47. Okay, JORF, verb. This is exception, students. You know, you have already learned how to conjugate the verb er. Okay, now if before er it is g. Okay, अगर er से पहले g आता है तो वहां पे सिर्फ एक चेंज करना है. See, je mange, same, you mange, il mange, elle mange. Because it is GER, what you will do, here you will carry E. Okay, otherwise you will carry this E and then write ONS. Otherwise, let's see, parlons. Nous parlons. Here we are not adding E, right? So this is the exception. Okay, right? Right? So all the verbs which are ending with GER, you have to carry E here. Partageons, right? And the few verbs which are same, conjugated in the same manner, this is the list. Voyager, nager, just memorize them and use them in a sentences. Page numero 48. Okay, the same way, right? Amusons, aussi, avec, beaucoup, dans, favori, formidable, l'âne, l'heure, l'ours, la girafe, la nourriture, la poule, la vache, le chat, le cheval, le chien, le crocodile, le lapin, le lion, le repas, le serpent, le singe, le tigre, le zoo, les animaux, les poils. Ok? Maintenant, rentrer, sauter, apporter. Okay? So, this is the vocabulary, page numero 40, enough. Before doing the exercises, we do reading. Let's read the chapter. Okay. Le dimanche de Marie. So, Marie's Sunday. Okay. Right. Let's talk about what she does on Sunday. Aujourd'hui, c'est dimanche. Okay. So, today is Sunday. Je vais au. So, we remember the verb aller. Okay. So, je vais au. Marie कहाँ जाती है? She is talking about herself. I'm going to zoo. Je vais au zoo. किसके साथ? Avec mes amis. So this is ami. May remember adjective possessive. See how the sentence goes. Il y a beaucoup d'animaux dans le zoo. So in the zoo there are lot of animals. Nous regardons. So students, this is the verb regarder, which is conjugated with the subject nous. Nous regardons. सो हमने देखा या हम देखते हैं, ठीक है, वी लुक किसको देखते हैं? ग्रॉ एलिफेंट। सो एक बहुत बड़ा एलिफेंट। ओके। एलिफेंट, राइट। ए petit singe, right? Un petit singe. Le singe. Now how he reacted? He was very funny. Le singe est très drôle. Et il va d'une va again your verb aller. Il va, he goes to where d'une branch à l'autre. मतलब from one branch to another branch. Okay? D'une branch à l'autre. Il y a un tigre. तो tigre. Aussi, il est grand et beau. Maintenant, c'est l'heure de manger. So this is the time to eat. What? C'est l'heure de manger. Repas. Okay, repas is this mean. Nous apportons. So apportons is your students the new verb apporter. See, it was in vocabulary as well. Mm, apporter. Yes. Just a second. So first of all, memorize the thing. Then only you will able to understand. See, apporter is to carry or to bring something, right? So it is talking about nous apportons. So we bring what? Notre déjeuner. Lunch. Déjeuner is lunch. Mon ami Sylvie mange un burger. C'est son déjeuner favori. So this is means burger is her favorite lunch. Et Aman et moi nous mangeons du popcorn et une pizza. Nous finissons. This is the verb finir, manger, notre repas. So we finish our repas. Et nous rentrons. Rentrons means वापस जाना. So जब भी आप घर वापस जाते हैं, we will use the verb rentrons. Nous rentrons à la maison. C'est amusant d'aller au zoo. So it was very amusing, to go to the zoo with my friends, avec mes amis. Say for me that it is wonderful. Ok, page numéro 43. Ok, où va Marie avec qui? So, Marie. Instead of using Marie, I can use elle va au zoo avec ses amis. Ok, qu'est-ce que Sylvie mange? Ok, now see Sylvie mange. Sylvie mange un burger. Elle mange un burger. Quels animaux regarde-t-il dans le zoo? So, what like uh, animals they look in the zoo. So, what were the animals? Name of the animals? It was Elia, mm, Sanch, Uh, tigre, éléphant. Yes. Et éléphant. Le tigre est grand et les tigre est grand, yes, les no. Why? See your text. It was written le tigre il est grand. Grand है, but सुंदर है. Beau. But beau, it is writing ले. ले means जो सुंदर नहीं होता. It means it is faux. Marie va zu avec ses amis. Vrai. L'éléphant saute beaucoup de fois. Sauter. It is the verb sauter which means to jump. It is also mentioned in your vocabulary. So elephant jump many times. He was jumping. The elephant jumps a lot of time. Four. Tous les fois finissent leur repas et rentrent à la maison. So all finish their repas meal and go to home. Yes, it is true way. L'infinitive. So students, in I think in the last lesson, that was the third lesson, I defined what is infinitive. Let's do finissant is the conjugated verb, but its root verb, which is known as infinitive, that is finir. Okay. Rompre, rompre, which is not conjugated. Apporter, sauter, manger. So basically, the verb which is not conjugated is the infinitive form. So these are the conjugated verbs, right? Page numéro 44. Les exercices, remplissez les blancs avec les bonnes conjugaisons du verbe. So, remplissez, मुझे fill करना है ये avec les bonnes conjugaisons du verbe. Les enfants finir. So here is the verb finir. We will conjugate this verb. The phrase is negative, and you know, student, it is the position of ne pas here, and here is the verb. Okay, let's set les enfants ne finissent pas leur repas. Ils jettent. Ils jettent les restes du repas. So, uh, les enfants ne finissent pas le repas. उन्होंने finish नहीं किया अपना खाना. Ils jettent. They throw the rest du repas. Okay? So, जो बचा था उन्होंने वो फेंक दिया. Les femmes choisissent souvent les vêtements de couleur rouge. So the femme means women mostly often choose the color red for their vêtements, clothes, les vêtements de couleur rouge. L'Inde accomplit beaucoup dans la science aujourd'hui. Now here it is talking about l'Inde accomplit means so land accompli. Okay, so it is talking about India's accomplishing a lot of like science today. So basically, it means a lot of things we are doing in science. Okay, les gens many les gens manifestent contre la gouvernement. Manifest means like what you say protest. So the people protest against the government. Okay, les gens. You can say also the youngsters or the people manifest to like protest against the government. Le gouvernement, le gouvernement bâtit. Okay, here is the chapeau. Bâtit des maisons pour les pauvres. So Bhati means to build. The government is building the houses for the poor. Poor is poor. Okay, Bhati. Les fruits jaunissent pendant le temps. Jaunisse means the fruits are getting yellow. Okay, pendant l'automne. In the period of l'automne, l'automne is the saison, that is autumn. Remplacez les blancs avec les bons adjectifs. Possessive. What is adjective possessive, students? Mon, ton, son, like. Les étudiantes parlent avec. See, les étudiantes is plural, and here we have the option leur, but professor is singular, so it will be leur in singular. Dama say, you can write mon anniversaire, ton anniversaire, son anniversaire, even notre, votre, leur. All option are like valid. Votre, leur as well. Okay. Il va au cinéma avec. So il. For il, what is the possession, student? Son, sa, se. Okay. Now what I have to choose? Cousin, that is son, and cousin, that is sa, femina. Got it? Dash, parents sont vieux. Vieux is old. So parents are old. किसके? मेरे, तुम्हारे, कुछ भी आ सकता है बच्चे इसमें. You can write may, but plural में आएगा. Plural options. May, they, say, no, wo, and le. Okay? Tu pot. Tu, what is the possession of tu? Ton, ta, te. So tu portes ta ju. Okay. Je porte. What is the possession of je? Ma, ma, me. Whose is femina? Ma. Kaye is plural. That is me. Okay. Here we don't know je, tu, like which position you can write anything. Mon frère, ma sœur. Also, the valid option is ton frère, ta sœur, son frère, sa sœur. Okay? Notre frère, notre sœur, votre frère, votre sœur. But plural option is not valid. Okay? Vous, what is the possession of vous? That is votre, both is votre, vous. So here, see, photo, plural. So this will come. वो. Les amis mangent. Les amis is the third person plural. For third person plural means il and my option is leur, and leur plural. Okay, masculine, feminine, leur. So here see repas is singular, that is leur. Okay, nous aimons, nous, notre, no. So grands-parents plural, no. Okay, page numéro 50. Okay, next is présent. In present conjugate, it is okay. So it is mourir. Manges-tu gâteau? Okay, je voyage en Chine. Ria et Sita. Rita et Sita plural. So it is upward. Students, don't focus on feeling this only. Just understand the sentence. Mohit mange du gâteau. Je voyage en Chine. Rita et Sita apportent leur cartable. ठीक है, तो इस स्टेज पे आपको सारे सेंटेंसेस समझ आने चाहिए अगर आपने पिछली मेरी सारी सीरीज देखी है. सो यू विल एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द मीनिंग्स. ओके. इल डैश द म्यूजिक. इल écoute de la musique. Nous dash notre chambre. Nous. See, it is GER verb. And GER verb in nous, we will carry nous rangerons notre chambre. So that means we are arranging or we are setting our room. That is in a lot order. Okay, if it is mess. Ria is Sumit. Two people sought. Plural. So Ria is Sia jump from the escalier. Okay. And then vous dash à la maison, vous rentrez. Rentrez à la maison, les enfants dash dans la piscine, les enfants nagent. So the children are swimming in the piscine, swimming pool. Nage. Okay, that is your homework. You can do this, students. Premier, deuxième, troisième, quatrième. Okay, do it by yourself. If you want me to check, you can send me. C'est compter en page. Identifier et écrivez. So this is le, tigre, le, lion, la vache, l'éléphant, le chien, le singe. Décrivez le chien en utilisant les mots donner. Okay, let's do this. First of all, let's guess the name of this cute dog. Il, il s'appelle Felix. Why Felix? Because I have a cute dog and his name is Felix. Let's do that. Okay. Uh, let's see. Il est petit. Il est petit et méchant. You can connect that. Okay. Il est marrant. Il a les yeux noirs. Basically, you have to use il for description and avoir. Il a de petites pattes. Il a une longue rose. Long is the tongue. Okay. Il a les poils courts. Okay. So this is your décrivez le chien en utilisant le mot donné. Seconde de page. After that, okay, former les phrases avec les mots donnés. Okay, let's do il y a. Then you have beaucoup. Beaucoup is always followed by student de. So obviously de will come here. Il y a beaucoup de chocolat dans le panier. Panier is your bucket or basket. So there are a lot of chocolates in the basket. Let's okay, save definitely come first. Say, then your article, say tune. Then we have learned the rule. Remember, if it is related to beauty, it is always come before the noun. What is my noun? Feel. So bell will come first. After that, feel, because the nationality is always after the noun. Okay, and then we did it on Shante 2, chapter 2, this rule. Okay, then l'éléphant, this is my subject. So in the first, we have to find the subject. L'éléphant est grand et beau. Okay, let's do this. Lundi est le premier jour de la semaine. So Monday is the first jour de la semaine. Août est le, now see, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août. Août est huitième mois de l'année. So eighth month of the year. November est le mois de l'année. November est le onzième mois de l'année. Dimanche est le septième jour de la semaine. Jour de la semaine is the day of the week. Septième is the seventh one. Mars is the troisième mois de l'année. Jeudi est le cours de la semaine. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi. Remember? So it is quatrième. Right? Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi. Yes. Janvier est le premier mois de l'année. Décembre est le douzième mois de l'année. Okay? Écoutez, that is your work. Listen from your CD and all. Second, trois pages. Okay, so we are done with this chapter, students. So just, I hope you are learning well, and these videos are really useful for you. But please like it, okay, and just comment if you want something important or you don't know or you have the confusion about any topic. Okay, and thank you, merci beaucoup, au revoir, à bientôt.